What's that? Who have you got, Angel? Is that your cow? Hey? You know, Brownie's got a cow too. You know, that cow's almost as big as you are. Funny girl. Oh, stop for a little stretch. Hey? It's usually Timmy that I see lugging those around. Go get him. Oh, there they go. Oh my goodness. He's got his monkey. You got your cow. Way to go. You guys are having fun, hey? Listen to Miss Posse. Come on. Stop for a sniff. Stop for a scratch. Oh, you're out of focus. That's it? No more? You'd almost think you know there's a camera on you. Ha-ha. Who's got it now, Angel? Hey? Who's got your cow now? Hey, Mr. T. Hey, me. Where'd Timmy go? What you doing over there? Oh, you say hi, Auntie Cody. Hi, Auntie Claudette. Oh, your Auntie. See you later. Where's your squeaky? Bring me your squeaky. Bring me that squeaky. Come on. Bring me your squeaky. Bring me that squeaky. Come on. Really? Good girl. Good girl. Ready? Timmy, are you still hiding under the chair? Oh, all there is a very skinny monkey. I don't know where Timmy went. Probably sitting by that nice warm heat vent. There he is. I see you under there. Peekaboo.